Come on in, come on in, come on in, guys. My name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Crafting, and today what we're going to do is we're going to put together some lasagna. I have some lasagna shells, I have some pasta, and I have some cheese, and then we're going to do some garlic bread, and the meat is already prepared, so you know what? Let's just do this. Let's just do this. So guys, what we're going to do today is, like I said, we're going to make us some lasagna. Yes, ma'am. What I do is I usually put sauce in the bottom of my pan, just so it won't stick. And I also put a little bit of garlic salt. Today I'm using garlic, salt, and pepper. So we're going to sprinkle a little bit of that up in there. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Then we're going to put our shells down. And I'm only going to make one layer today. I usually make 2 and 3 and 4 layers, but today I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to put my layers down. Right? Then I'm going to get my leftover meat that I put in a plastic bag and bag it. So I don't even think I want to use all of this meat. Save it for another. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to spread our meat. Continue to spread this out. All right, guys. So I'm back. So what I decided to do is I'm going to put some sauce on the top. Right. I'm going to put some. I'm going to try something different. You guys know how I like to do things differently, right? So let's go. I'm going to put some pepper jack. Let me just show you the paper. I'm going to put some pepper jack on mine. Okay, so let's try that. It's the first time for everything, and I always tell my kids that. So let's go. All right? Now I'm going to put some mozzarella. But this is the first time I'm doing this cheese here. Because I love to eat this cheese on the sandwich. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put less mozzarella cheese. Alright. Put that back in. Alright. And I'm going to put some more. Sauce. Move that around. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a couple of pieces of mozzarella cheese. Because I think that covers the cheese aspect. I know a lot of people like a lot of cheese on theirs. But I had a couple of packs here, but I'm not going to put those couple. I'm just going to leave it just like that. Okay? Yes, ma'am. So you know how we do. We clean up as we go. Let's get rid of this. And wipe this down real quick. So I can give you guys a nice shot of this before it goes into the oven. And we're going to put it in the oven on 375. Probably for maybe 40 minutes. 40 minutes to an hour. Right? And only because our meat is cooked perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a shot of this before we put the top on. Sorry about that. So we're going to zoom in. There you go. So that's what we're dealing with, right? So let's put the top on. Okay. And this baby here is going directly in the oven. So she is ready for the oven, guys. Just that quick, that simple, and she's good to go. All right. So we're going to put this in the oven. Like I said, 40 minutes to an hour on 375. And I'll be right back as soon as that's ready. Okay, guys, here we go. Dinner is now ready. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. You know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, please.